So it goes from basic to complex. So we learn about being patient, about taking your time, about not stressing, about not thought into it. Just stay relaxed and stay focused. So they learn about these activities, and my goal is that it will be something that they can apply for everything else. I have gloves, but I encourage you not to wear them because I tell them that just connect with the soil. You won't wash your hands, but connect with it, feel it. And then if I try that and it doesn't work, what should I do next? If you don't put the hard work, you can't be upset with the outcome because you didn't do the work. Plant that seed for our students to become better citizens. And that's our motto, growing better citizens. And that's the goal. My name is Rolando Roman. Many people call me Coach Ro. We are Mansfield Upper Elementary, and you have visited our Junior Master Garden.